Now previously I posted a video on YouTube on whether I should quit YouTube. Now in that video I showed my retention graphs and how they dropped down to 30-second mark and then level off. So there's a huge dip in my retention in first 30 seconds. And a lot of my videos that are tagged, actually all of my videos that are tagged, have the same graph, which cannot occur naturally. Now these attacks have been happening on my channel for the last 2 years. At first I didn't know what was going on. So I waited till this moment until I was 100% sure that this data is artificially generated by bots before I made these claims. Now I have an open case with YouTube, and YouTube did say maybe it's this, maybe a natural phenomenon like this could happen, maybe something else could cause this. But when I presented YouTube with all of the stats from my channel, all the retention stats, the graphs, the breakdown of external sources, and the average percentage viewed on those external sources, and I asked them this, I said, what natural phenomena besides bots can cause this? And that's when they stopped responding. I also worked with an industry leader YouTube algorithm analysis company and showed them this data, and they were stunned. They said, this cannot occur naturally. Now, because of these attacks, the retention on the videos that are attacked is really low. The overall retention on my channel is low, and due to which, YouTube will no longer suggest or recommend videos from my channel. So even though I have 850,000 subscribers, I get 5 to 10,000 views in first 3 days, and then there are no more views on those videos after. Now there's a lot of effort that goes into making these YouTube videos, and if you count all of that effort and the amount of money that's being generated from these new videos that I'm making, it's not even accounting to minimum wage. So I made a video on whether I should quit YouTube, and the response was overwhelming. I'm so grateful to hear from all of you, and every single person said, please don't quit. We need you. We need people to promote growing your own food, promote organic gardening, promote organic produce, and most importantly, encourage people to be self-sufficient and take control of our own food supply. The response is overwhelming. The video has gotten 27,000 views in first 2 days, which is the most amount of views I've gotten first 2 days in past 2 years. And the video has 1,400 plus comments. Now, since all of you commented so much on this video and engaged a lot on this video, guess what happened? The YouTube algorithm started suggesting and recommending this video beyond my subscriber base. And there are a lot of new people that actually got to see this video too. Now, you know what this shows? This shows the power of people. It shows collectively we can do anything. United, we can accomplish any task. If we can beat YouTube algorithm, we can do anything. So thank you very much for all of your support. I'm deeply touched, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And no, I'm not quitting YouTube, and it's for just one reason. And the reason is that our food supply is in jeopardy. And there's a war. There's a war against small farmers. The small farmer is being squeezed and made to go out of business. And they're doing that in the name of safety. Now we saw that with the egg crisis. Now there were multiple poultry farms that were made to shut down and go out of business because of safety reasons. You know what? We don't need a babysitter to tell us what food we can consume and what food we don't. However, they're passing all of these laws and regulations that farmers are finding very hard to comply with because their profit margins are already so small that farmers are revolting and going out of business. And we are seeing this in Oregon, all over the United States, in Europe, and all over the world as well. The farmers are under threat, and they want the big corporations to grow our food because the name of the game, my friends, is control. So we need to collectively stand together, help each other, and I need to be here to keep promoting growing your own food, being self-sufficient, and taking control of our own food supply. Now, as for ad revenue from YouTube, I would say, you know what? I really don't need that much money. My great-grandfather has been a great inspiration, and he always used to say, you don't need much money to be happy and content. All you need is food, a roof over your head, and clothes to wear, and you'll be fine. My great-grandfather lived to be 96 years old. He was born in 1912. He passed away in 2008. And guess what? He was the most content person I've ever known in my entire life. Now, he's a great inspiration for me and a light of hope in the times of darkness. Now, a lot of you have also showed a lot of support by donating money. You've actually contributed through super thanks, and some of you even use the PayPal donation link in my videos to send out PayPal donations as well. You know what? My great-grandfather used to say, don't accept a single penny for which you have not worked. So I don't feel comfortable taking in donations. My great-grandfather's voice just keeps ringing in my ears, and it keeps saying, never take money for which you have not worked. However, there is a really good use for this money. While I was reading the comments, I actually read quite a few comments in which people said that they have some sort of disability or they're elderly, they cannot get into gardening. Some people even have small backyards, but they don't have the manpower to actually truck in compost or build raised beds or get stuff done or establish a garden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a $500 stipend or $500 donations, which are going to be coming in from you. So all the money that you are giving me, I'm never going to keep. I'm going to make $500 stipends for people in need. So if you have a hardship, if you have some sort of disability, if you have some sort of mobility issues, or you can't get into the garden, I've created this form, and the link of this form is in the description of this video. Fill this out, and when the donations that are coming in reaches $500 mark, I'll be giving money out to those people in need so they can hire some help to get their gardens established, buy some compost, get some of the raised beds built, so that things are in place for them to start gardening and enjoying an active and healthy lifestyle. Now, there are a lot of people out there that don't think like you and I. Those people like to take advantage of things. So when I have people fill out these forms to evaluate if they have a hardship, I'll have them send me a video of themselves, their garden, what they would like to do, and show me the proof of their hardships in some way or manner, or maybe I'll do a Zoom call with them before donating $500 to them to establish their garden. And then I'll be sharing the results with you as well in my new series, which is the Garden with Jag series. Now, some of you already seen my entire video that I posted earlier, in which I announced that I'm releasing a new series called Garden with Jag, in which I'm building a garden from scratch, and I'm going to take you on a journey on how to establish an organic garden from scratch, growing in raised beds, container, in ground, in shade, in full sun. Now I'm taking you on this new journey in addition to all the gardening tips video that I already make. Now at the end of the video, I'll be showing the donations coming from all of you as well. So I'm making this video to update you on what's going on and let you know that I'm not quitting. And I wanted to make this video to thank you for all the support that you have provided. As you know, I never ask you for money and I never will, but there are many other ways you can support this channel without having any monetary involvement. You can watch my videos from start to end and watch as much of the video as you can so my retention goes up. Now, you can also support this channel by using my Amazon affiliate links. You can make purchases of gardening products from my Amazon affiliate links. Now, this doesn't cost you anything. However, I make about 2 to 3% on all the sales that are resulting from these links. You can visit my Amazon affiliate store from the link in the description of this video. And I also have an Amazon affiliate store on my website in which I share all the gardening products I personally use. So if you're finding any products that I mentioned in my video, you can find all of these products on my website, such as the fertilizers, the pesticides, or all the gardening products I use. Moreover, if you're looking for a gift for a friend or a family, you can check out my merchandise store in which I have gardening-based mugs and t-shirts and phone cases and other products which you can purchase to gift to your friends. And I'll also be giving away these products, and I'll be doing that in the community tab. So if you're subscribed, you'll get to see them or not if YouTube decides that this information is not relevant to you. So you can join my gardening list, in which I'll be sharing gardening tips, my upcoming videos, and the giveaways as well. Now, the link to this gardening email subscription is in the description of this video. Now, once again, thank you very much for all the support from the bottom of my heart. Now, if you haven't checked out my previous video in which I shared all the data on my channel getting attacked on YouTube, you can check out that video right here. And I hope to see you in my new series, Garden with Jag, and I'll see you in another video.